Pinkard's use of technology really puts the owners into the driver's seat. The main technology that we use on site on a regular basis is Procore, and then we use a 360 camera through an application called Construction Site. The 360 camera allows us to take photos of full rooms and areas before more work is completed, and then we can go back later and see what's behind the wall, what's in the slab, where rebar is, and take your phone out and hold it up to the wall, and you can slide on the phone seeing what was there before and what was there after.
When we're roughing in MEP and then we come back afterwards and we take a picture of a finished wall, we know exactly where stuff is. So if an owner needs to get into a wall later on, they can actually see where there may be potential electrical or piping that may be in conflict.
And another way that it's used is with video walkthroughs. It auto-generates points on that video. You can walk the entire site and see what was going on at that time. Where the 360 camera has been a very big help is saving both time and cost to both the GC and the owner. And it really just expedites any process of unknowns since you can see exactly what's behind walls and under slabs. With the walkthrough, it provides a lot more documentation for the owners, because instead of having to go in and take pictures and document everything, you just have a full view of everything that's going on at all parts of the building. Everything and anything's captured. Using Procore, anything that we see in the field, we can just take a quick picture of it, write a note, and send it on to whoever's responsible for that work. In there, the owner will be able to go in and see anything going on when it comes to RFIs, changes, plans, ASIs, and it kind of keeps everything integrated.
It's been super helpful for us. It's basically having real-time updates to all of the drawings on site for both us and for our subcontractors. This is not just for us, but also for owners as well, so that they can say, hey, what's going on the job site? And they can look at it that day and see pictures of actual work that's being put in place on the drawing and where it should go.
A really big strength of using Procore for the punch list process is the ability to see everything that needs to be addressed and ensure that it is addressed. The way we do it is we go into the units with the owners, give them the classic blue tape, and then I go back in afterwards and input all of that information into Procore. And then when going back through with backwalks, we can scan that QR code and see everything that they blue taped the first time around. And this makes sure nothing falls through the cracks. If there's someone else that did the initial punch list with the owners that isn't on site that day or has moved on to a different project, it still has everything recorded, so nothing gets forgotten about.
You can't delete things, so even the owner and us, we're able to see the same exact set of drawings. We could track dates that they were submitted, dates that they were sent to people. We can actually email through the system. Really, we can do everything inside of the system, which is really great.